Crews from the Florence Fire Department just north of Austin helped with that Burnick fire.
But in Florence, they're facing their own water challenges. It's getting harder to find the water there, making it difficult for the department to plan ahead. KXAN's Katina McHenry in Florence with more.
The town of Florence is about an hour outside of Austin, and they've gone to stage 3 water restrictions because one of their wells is broken. But the concern now is about potential fire danger, and not just fire danger, but where they're going to get water from to fight those fires. Dead brown grass is pretty much what you'll see in every yard in Florence. Residents here stopped watering their grass long ago. So stage 3 water restrictions is not much of an adjustment. It means residents can only water and wash their cars on certain days, and restaurants can only serve water if customers ask. City officials say low water levels in one of the wells caused a malfunction, so stage 3 is in effect as a precaution until it's fixed. But this is what poses a threat every minute for firefighters, and water is getting harder to find.
Our static water resources as far as stock tanks and those things in this area are pretty much dry, so that water is not available.
Right now, the fire department is looking ahead, trying to stock up before it's too late.
We've looked at possibly getting some type of portable storage tanks, and what we're finding is that to access that water in the capacities that we need in a short amount of time is presenting its own challenge there.
Fire officials have even talked to farmers in the area about using their ponds, but water is running low there too. And not just that, the further firefighters have to go for water, the faster the fire can get out of control, threatening more land and lives.
Every mile that truck has to drive further to refill, then it's that less effective that we have to deal with.
City officials say they hope to be back to normal stages sometime next week. In Florence, Katina McHenry, KXAN News.
The heat is having a devastating effect on wildlife in the city of Taylor in Williamson County. Taylor is doing everything it can to pump thousands of gallons of drinking water into Murphy Lake. The lake is falling behind normal levels and dropping every day, and that means ducks, geese, turtles, and the fish there are all suffering. The city of Taylor is using the town's drinking water to help save this lake.